So it's 7:15 on February 8th. Dock in this area at 14 for a short. See some absorption. It's been typical of yesterday. Equities open and been pretty weak for the first half hour, 45 minutes. Expecting them to kind of settle out and charge higher. It's just a matter of when. So we pushed through that. This initially pushed up pretty high, up to about 14, then pulled back in to 12 or so, and I was looking at a long, but I don't really like that trade anymore. Lost a lot of money back in the day on that trade, so just trying to stay away from it. Even though in this case it would have worked out pretty well. Whoa, that was fun. That's literally 12,000 just right at 14. Yeah, I don't know what that was. It could have been someone trying to bully the market around, or it could have been someone that just hedging. Preferably, if you wanted to be short here, be it. I mean, obviously 15, but 14.5. Offer stacked up pretty well on top of that, though. Tempted to get in here. Okay, well, here we go. Just keep an eye on it. Hopefully the ES bounces a little bit. We get some follow through on the selling. The one thing I did not do today was just review the economic calendar. Which I'm going to do right now. Where is my calendar? There it is. Typically there isn't a lot on Fridays, but you never know. Except for obviously non-farm payroll days. And let's see, we got housing starts, labor force survey. So everything's in the past. So I talked previously about the push up and then the pull back down. And this is where it turned back up again. So we do have a little bit of a range developing right here. So I like my targets. If this does work out. What I don't like is how far away my stop loss is. And you sort of have to let this thing play out, unfortunately. Or you just take it off and re-enter somewhere up here if you want to. Still kind of absorbing a lot of the buying here. Be nice to see these guys attack down a little bit more. Okay, so we got one. Let's go. So we need 5-year to get a couple more ticks. 30 years dropping in pretty well. Come on, get it. Get it. Get a fill here, and then we can just leave a runner on. There we go. Nice. Well, here's a target. Should I leave that on? Or put a runner on there? This is definitely a support area. Should even be looking at buying right here. Yeah, see, look at it's still charging higher. Bids are still pretty solid at this level. On a chart, that's where you'd find support. And the offer aren't really stacking up yet, which means they're kind of expecting this mini rally to be short-lived. It's starting to pull off a little bit. 30-year, 5-year falling in. Might get it after all. Just keep an eye over here. Buyers start to step in. Come on. Might not even get filled there. It's going bid over here. Now we're attacking up higher. Fuck. $600. Let's go. Let's get filled. Okay. Well, it's a $170 in 15 minutes. All right, well, might as well shut this off here, and then if I see another opportunity, I'll start it up again. But that's a good little video.